To see the latest videos first, subscribe to our Stinge YouTube channel and hit the bell icon now. Search engine optimization or SEO is very important. We all are aware of it. But if you don't have much budget, how to get search engine optimization in an affordable price? How to get affordable SEO? Hello friends, I am Sanjeev Mishra from Stinge, and today I will help you with finding out opportunities where you will get SEO done for your website at affordable or cheap price. And still I am talking about good SEO. Through SEO, your website will start getting organic traffic, like the people will start coming from Google or Yahoo search or any other search engines. And then those kind of traffic, the chances are really high that it will convert when you are selling something on your websites. So it is very important to get traffic through SEO. But SEO is very costly affair because you need to work a lot on the pages as well as backlinks. You need to get a lot of backlinks, and people are paying hundreds of dollars for backlinks, and they are investing a lot of money on SEO. But if you don't have much budget, if you are just starting and at the very early stage and you want to do SEO, how you will do it? Then there are many platforms where you can go and you can hire freelancers. And those freelancers are offering these kind of services like building backlinks, getting good backlinks, getting articles done, publishing your guest articles or doing on-page SEO analysis. All these things they are providing at an affordable price. Say if you will check Fiverr.com, there you will find a lot of SEOs, they are listing their services, and you just have to browse and you have to order their gigs. But on Fiverr.com or any other freelancing sites like Upwork or freelancers.in or .com, you have lots of people providing services, and probably you will get confused whether they are going to provide good service or not. Now it is up to you whether you research well over there, whether you spend time to read the reviews, what other people are saying about their services. Then you can go through that and you can try with one or two people. But for affordable SEO, what you can do is, rather than investing money on those systems, you can invest money in yourself. You can learn search engine optimization because it is not a very difficult task. There are few tricks and techniques which you need to learn. So by investing some hundreds of dollars, you can learn SEO and you can build yourself, you can get ready for that work. So even if you start another website in future, you can do it by yourself. So that is the best method to implement SEO rather than just hiring people and paying thousands of dollars. Learn first, get an idea whether the agency or the freelancer, whoever is talking about SEO, what the terminologies they are talking in, what things they are saying, at least you will be able to understand even if you don't have time to implement it. So if you will learn SEO by yourself, you can hire somebody and you can track their work, because tracking is very important. Say if, for example, you paid someone $700 or $600 for SEO, and now after 3 or 4 months he will say, okay, this is much, this is it. You are getting some organic traffic. See, I promised you some organic traffic and you are getting that. But still nobody is converting, it's not working for you. So after 3 or 4 months, you will feel like those $700 probably that was just a wastage of money. And now you cannot do anything on that, because that guy, he promised that okay, you will get some traffic after 3 months. He didn't say how much traffic. Now you cannot blame him. So it's always a better option to learn SEO, at least the basics of SEO. It's not very difficult task. Spend some 10-15 days with a good mentor and you will learn about it. And after that, start implementing it. And if you don't get time, if you don't have time, after that you can hire a person and see what that person is doing. At least you can observe, you can track those things. You are aware what he is doing. That is very important thing. Otherwise, you can go ahead and you can hire people on Fiverr. You can hire people on freelancers.com, Upwork. On these platforms, you will find people, they will offer you services from $50 to $200 or $300, and they will do off-page SEO for your website at affordable price. So if you like this video, click on the like button, share this video with your friends, family and business partners. Comment on this video if you have any question related to SEO. Thanks for watching.